What's the meaning of afresh? Afresh. 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 Afresh is an adverb that means, in a new or different way. Starting again from the beginning. When something is done afresh, it implies that it is being redone completely, with fresh energy and perspective. The result of doing something afresh can be a sense of rejuvenation and renewed motivation. It can also provide an opportunity to correct previous mistakes and approach a task with more knowledge and experience. In summary, doing something afresh can lead to a fresh start and a chance to improve upon past efforts.